Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix turned on fast startup option not showing or missing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you go with your button search bar, okay, and when you type for power space plan, okay, and when you go with edit power plan options and click on open to continue, okay. Here at the edit plan settings, when you click this forward arrow, okay, and when you go with choose what the power buttons do, and when you click on change settings that are currently unavailable, you go with yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes. There is no option here which says turned on fast startup, which is this. The option which is turned on fast startup is not showing or missing in your Windows. Now, in order to fix the such, we'll be performing a very basic step, okay? So let's close this window and let's get started. At the bottom search bar, this time you need to type for CMT. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match and go with run as administrator. Your account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. Where here you need to copy a command text, which I'll be including at the description box below. So just have to copy it there, Control V to paste once you have copied it, and click on enter. Once you have the click on enter, wait until the process would be done. Okay, it will only take less than a minute to do so. Once you're done, close this window and try to check if your turned on fast startup options is now there. So navigate the same process, search for power plan, go with the best match, click on open to continue. Okay, and click this forward arrow at the left side of it. Go and choose what the power buttons do. And there you have it. You can now go with the turned on fast startup recommended. And when you go with the change settings and click on yes, you can now modify or turn it on or off the fast startup. Okay? So that's it. Close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.